Hi guys, I hope all of you are doing well. We are back with another new branded video, and I am going to teach you how you can create your own cybersecurity website where you will be offering your own cybersecurity services with the AI. As you know, it is 2025 and people actually want cybersecurity services like offensive or defensive. If you integrated the AI with your services, it will be way more fine. Okay, people love it, I'll be honest with you. So I just as asked ChatGPT to generate me a really awesome prompt for my AI assistant. I want to provide that prompt to the AI, so it will create the website for me. And then I have provided some data that what should be in my website and what should be not. For example, if you read this prompt, create a modern, professional, mobile friendly and responsive single page website for cybersecurity and AI power brand name MasaudSec. This is important, you need to provide. Okay, the design must be clear, transparent and user friendly. Use a sleek color, as you can see, some dark blue, white, light gray. Okay, and then the site should be optimized for fast loading, SEO and screen size, desktop, tablet and mobile phones. Then the sections to included, there should be a hero section. Yeah, this is the main title. And then we have some subheadings, CTA button and so many things involved about the company, which is MasaudSec. And then we have a pen test hub flow, a visual timeline, how it will work. We basically present the 6 steps with icon or custom illustrations. Like, what does it mean? For example, scope to call, there are some points which is really important in cyber security, that you are providing some sort of services. Okay, or how we will be working, we need to check for the scope first, then we will be performing hands-on assessment, we will be exploiting vulnerabilities, and then we will be submitting a professional report. Okay, and then you know how this thing work if you are familiar with a VAPT, vulnerability assessment or penetration testing. And then what kind of services we are offering? We are offering vulnerability assessment, dynamic penetration testing as a service, a red team simulation, red team. Okay, and then some external pen testing, internal API and network pen testing, and so many other things. And so many things are involved. I will provide you the prompt up, you can utilize it according to your need. And then what you need to do, you need to visit huggingface.co. I will be assuming that you have already created an account on Hugging Face. If not, just sign up with your Gmail. It is really simple. There is no rocket science behind it. And after that, once you visit their official website, just click on the DeepSeek. Okay, DeepSeek technology. So after visiting it, here you need to provide your prompt. Okay, but the thing is, like, there is something that you need to remove. For example, this last line, and here some of the top of the data. Okay, so what I will be doing right now, let me paste it here, and let's remove the last line, as this is not the part of the prompt. And there is some stuff on the top that we need to remove. Okay, I think I need to check cybersecurity and AI website. Okay, fine. We are close. I think our prompt is started from here. Create a modern website. Now let's give this prompt to DeepSeek, which is right now deep site hosted on Hugging Face .co servers. Now definitely this will take some time, you need to give it a time. It will start coding for you, it will develop the complete web application or website for you, which is in our case it is a single you can say single page website. So we need to wait up. It might be possible it will be writing hundreds lines of code, sometime more than 500, 600, more than 1000 line of code. I personally written approximately when I was creating my own website, the landing page only, that were more than like 1400 lines of code. Now you can imagine it is really good. Sometime it sucks, to be honest. Sometime it will stop coding for you. There will be an error appear, but it is really in least cases. So you just cannot create so much our complicated technology or website with the help of it, but literally still you can create a really awesome website. But I will not recommend you remember to create a website that you need to create the website page by page. For example, first try to create a landing page for your website. Once that landing page is done, then try to create another page, third page, fourth page, step by step. And then at the end of the day, try to merge all those together or link all those together in order to make your website. So this is how it works. Okay, I will turn off my mic right now, and we need to wait until the coding get completed. All right, guys, welcome back. So here you can see our awesome website has been completed, and it literally looks so nice, so awesome. Now what we need to do here, you can do some modification. For example, you can change the phone number, like just copy it and search for it. Here you can change it the same way you can change the email address, the same way you can literally change the visit us. Okay, and then you can add your own Twitter, which is right now X, LinkedIn, GitHub, and you can add some other stuff if you want. So here is a follow us page. Here you will be able to find out all the links. Okay, regarding these things. No, the thing is, you can also change this all right reserved 2023. You can change it to 25. You can do it literally directly. Okay, so here you can also perform some modification. For example, instead of pen test hub, if you want to add something else, you can literally do it as well as so seems like it is really awesome website that it have created for us. Like you can clearly see more our AI powered cybersecurity ratified. We believe security is not just a protection. So now you can see literally it is awesome. The pen test workflow, how this will work, all these things are comprehensive cybersecurity solutions, vulnerability assessment, dynamic, all those things that we have explained earlier. We have, so you can modify these areas of experience, security monitoring, vulnerability discoveries, and client satisfaction XYZ. Here you can do also modification. I think it is awesome. All you need to do is to copy this thing, and after copying it, um just paste it and save it. Let me save it on my desktop, and let's give it a name, security solutions. Okay, and let's open the security solution thing. I will right click on it and open it in Chrome browser. So as you can see, it is already open. This how nice looks like. Let's check it in mobile interface. How you will be able to see, just go to the inspect, and here you can see this is how it works. Literally it is awesome. you can do some more modification in it by providing further prompts to it. So I think this is great. All you can do is you can literally provide the um like you can provide some more prompts if you want. It will further enhance it for you. So that's all for the video. Take care. Moreover, if you are interested in cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and penetration testing, you can visit my official website, which is MasaudSec.com, and you can hire us for our cybersecurity services, as well as if you are interested in training where we teach offensive security, penetration testing, ethical hacking, all those things. We have demo videos available on our website as well as on the YouTube. We have 4,000 plus students enrolled on Udemy, approximately 5,000. You can just have a look. You can explore all the modules what we will be teaching, which is masaudsec.com/outlines. So I think it is a great resource for you and a great way to learn things. Yeah, this is all. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.